Can you put wheel spacers on the front only? Absolutely, let's get it.
Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide the higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.